Welcome. In front of me says Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, and today I'll show you how to format an SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, right here, the gear icon, and from Settings, scroll down to Device Care, right here. You have a couple options, but the one that is interesting is the storage, and then you will see the SD card right here. And then now tap on the three dots and Storage Settings. Again, tap on the SD card, and now you have the option to format it. So just tap on it, format SD card, and then you get a progress bar. Now it's kind of hidden in there, but still, you can actually find it easier if you just type in search to SD card. But here I'm just showing basically how to get without the search. So once it's formatted, you can just tap on done, and as you can see now that the card is completely formatted and everything from it is removed. So that is how you format the SD card, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.